Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Klarna to GoDaddy website in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to add Klarna to your GoDaddy website. Klarna, of course, first of all, is a popular payment solution that offers some flexible payment options for your customers, making their shopping experience easier and boosting your sales. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to integrate Klarna with your GoDaddy websites in 2024. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Make sure to open two tabs. One should be as example for GoDaddy.com and the other one should be for Klarna.com and hit the enter button. So make sure to log in both accounts. As you can see for me here in GoDaddy, I'm already logged in. But if it's your first time, you'll find instead of your icon here, you'll find the sign in option. Click on it to sign into an account if you have one. If you don't, you'll find if you click on sign in, you find at the bottom a create account option. Click on it to create an account. You can use Google, Microsoft, or Facebook to create, or if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of to create or even log in into your account, and then you'll find yourself here with your username that you already logged in. Same will be for Klarna. I'll just go here and click on login. I guess I'm not sure if I have like a private account or a business account. I guess I have private, so I'll just go and check both. And yeah, I'll just go here and click on login with Google, my account, continue. Of course, by continuing, Google will share everything. So invalid account, please choose an existing merchant portal account. So yeah, maybe I have private accounts. Select the country of residence. So I'll just choose here, I don't know, I'll just choose United States, why not? I'm not sure if I have an account, so I'll just go here and create an account, why not? Of course, you need like a phone number, or if you already have an account, if you click on sign in, of course, you'll be able to sign into an account. So let's say, example, I'll just go here and enter my account right away. So gmail.com and hit the enter button or continue. Then we send a code to your email. So I'll just go to my email provider here. And as you can see, Klarna here. So 30, 85, 40. So 80, 30, 85. I forgot the code already. So there's it here, is it here, 85 and 49. So then I'll have to go and add a phone number. Make sure to go and add your phone number. And of course, it should be correct. So just go here. And I guess it starts with 07 or something like that. So I'm just gonna check the number real quick. So yeah, it should be like this, then this, and 55, then 07, I guess. Click on confirm. So enter, okay, I'll just try with this. Maybe because it's not the same as country of registry. So to use Klarna, we need your North American mobile number. So yeah, I cannot like sign into my accounts right away or right now, it seems, but it's fine. I'll basically just tell you the steps and you can simply just do it by your own. So once you sign up for Klarna account and merchant's account and you'll sign up for the same on your GoDaddy account, you will need to simply, first of all, access your website's builder on GoDaddy. So go to here to my products and basically I'll scroll down to websites and marketing, choose the websites that you have or that you want depending on the URL of it. As an example, maybe this one, click on manage. So just wait for it. As you can see, I'll be taken to the dashboard. So I'll just go here and click on edit website so I can access the website's builder right away. So if I go here to store, so let me just go, okay, it has ended. I'll just continue to free. I'll just wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Just wait in here. I don't know if I even have a store, so I'll just go here and check. I guess I already have a store here, but let's wait. So yeah, here's it. I'll just click on store. I'll click on manage store and I'll basically try to go to my store settings. So here, as an example, on my store settings, all I need to do as an example here. So it seems like it's not working as intended because I don't have a like maybe a store here. So okay, I'll just go and access another site as an example. And it's gonna be like, okay, I'll just go and access this one. And I'm sure I have a store in here. So it should be all good with this website. I can just go here to my store, manage store as an example. And here, if I go as an example to online pay links, why not? I'll just go and click on that. So yeah, because I have like a store here. So as you can see, start pay, take payments today. So share your ready to use pay link and accepts payments for goods, services, or donation without building an online store. So text your pay link or try it out. You can simply enter like a number here and send the link and see if it's working. There's even more ways to share like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Twitter, or X as it's called right now. Of course, here, go back to online store. Let me just go and show you an example. It saves to get sales. No, that's what you want. So accepts payments, example, anywhere, anytime by using some virtual terminal if you want to, or accepts payments in person with GoDaddy point of sale, whatever you want. So example, let's say about this one. So let me just show you. As you can see, you can accept some virtual payments if you want to with that. And if you go here to GoDaddy payments also, on your commerce GoDaddy payments. So here in the payments hub, of course, you'll find all the pays that you want, and there's even this online pay links. If you want to like set up some, you can click on it and set up some pay links as an example. And if you go here to settings at the bottom, you find yourself here. So click on payments methods. So on this payments methods as an example, just go to payments method. So explore our e-commerce plans to find out the best that fits your needs. Of course, you can simply just go and call this number to upgrade if you want to. And as you can see, you'll get everything in your current plan. Plus, you'll be able to manage all of that. As example, boost sales, get lists, or as example, fees, and etc. But that's not what we care about. As you can see, as example, you'll be able here to accept credits, card, and debits card like payments with the GoDaddy payments. Of course, they will get like some fees, which is going to be 2.7% plus 30 cents per transaction. And as you can see, you can even pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Pay's Wallet. If you do want to disconnect that, you'll be able to. Here, you'll be able to even connect like PayPal if you want to. And if you keep scrolling down, you can simply just accept offline payments. So as you can see, there is no Klarna here. But as you can see, PayPal and Pays, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and credits and debits card is already enough. So make sure to connect all of that and you will be good to go. You don't even need to add Klarna. And yeah, that's it. It's a shame we didn't find Klarna here, but it's fine. All good. So that's gonna be it for me today. Make sure to publish your website once you finish. Thank you for watching and goodbye.